Are you tired of Windows Defender blocking your software or slowing down your PC? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable it for good. So if you want to install a game or run certain applications on your PC that Windows Defender keeps stopping you from doing, this video is going to help you out. So the first thing you need to do here is go to the search section here, and then you want to search for virus and threat protection. You see the option with virus and threat protection. Simply click on it in this section. And this will bring you here. Here you want to scroll down under virus and threat protection settings here. And then you want to click on manage settings. Scroll down a little and you see tamper protection. You want to go ahead and toggle this off. And then click on yes. Now this will prevent others from tampering with important security features. We need these settings to be turned off to carry out the next steps. You can go ahead and close this, and you want to come to the search section here again, and then now you want to search for Registry Editor. You see the Registry Editor here. Click on it and then click on yes. It should bring you here. So if the folder is all not expanded, you should see it this way. Just simply expand on each one and you'll be able to see what's inside each folder. So for this, we're going to be working with H key local machine. Simply expand on this, and then here you want to expand on softwares. Under software, we want to find policies. Expand on policies, and then you can also expand on Microsoft. What we are looking for here is Windows Defender, so you can also drag in this section to see more. So on Windows Defender, you can expand on it, and all we have inside is Policy Manager. Now you can click on Windows Defender in this section here, and there is only one file inside. We need to make some changes in this section to be able to stop Windows Defender. Now what I'm going to do, I'll be sharing half of the screen with another half on Google Chrome. I'm going to leave this pin in the comment section to this video so you can copy and paste and follow the process. So we need to make some registry entries in this section here, and it's quite easy here. So under Windows Defender here, which we have Windows Defender, we only have one file. We'll not be making any changes to this file. What you want to do is copy the first option here under the W32. Once copied, you want to come here, right click, and then click on new. Under new, you're going to see dword32. All the files we're going to be entering here are going to be dword32. Now click on it, and then you want to paste in the title you just copied. This is DisableAntiSpyware, and then enter on your keyboard to enter. After entering, you want to double click on it, and you see the option to enter value data. Now for the value data, we're going to be entering 1 in this section. Click on OK. We're going to do the same for the other 4 entries in this section. So we'll copy disable antivirus, right click, new, dword32, paste the title, and then enter on our keyboard. Change the value to 1 and then click on OK. We'll copy the next entry here, new, dword32, paste, and enter on our keyboard, and then give you the entry of 1. We'll copy the next, new, dword32, and then paste again, and then we'll change the value of this one to 1. The next is service keep alive. We'll copy this, new, dword32, and then paste, and then we are going to leave the entry of this one as 0. So that's quite easy, as the entry values are also indicated in this section. So we currently have 5 entries which we've added to the Windows Defender folder. The next entry is real-time protection, and for this we need to create a new key. To create a new key, you want to click on Windows Defender in this section, and then right click. You'll see new, and then you want to click on key. Now a key will be added in this section, so you can go ahead and copy real-time protection in this section. You can right click on it and then choose rename, paste, and then enter on your keyboard. So now what you want to do is click on real-time protection. I'll be making these entries. So you want to copy the first option here, come here, new, D-word32, and then paste. We'll change the value of this to 1. Copy the next, which is disable scan or real-time enable. New in this section, and D-word32. Paste, and then enter. We'll change the value to 1. Here you want to copy the last option here. Paste in this section and change the value to 1. We need to add another key, which is signature updates. Copy this, right click on Windows Defender again, new, and then key. Paste the title and enter on the keyboard. For this we need to make one entry, which is first update from MU. Copy this, new, D-word32, paste, and then enter. We'll leave the entry of this one as 0. And lastly, we need to create a new key. So copy Spynet, Windows Defender, new key, and then paste. Copy block at first scene, new, D-word32, and then paste in this section. We're going to change the value of this to 1. And once you have all of this in this folder, you can go ahead and turn off your PC, restart your PC, and Windows Defender will be disabled permanently. At any time you want to restore Windows Defender, you can come back here to the Registry Editor using the same way we came, and then proceed to delete all of these options. Under Windows Defender, you want to also proceed to delete this. This will restore Windows Defender back. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section if this helped you out. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have a post notification turned on.